Are you one of those people that say, I can do it by myself? It's okay. I have it covered. I can do it by myself. I know how to do it. I have been told how to do it. My parents told me that. My friend told me how to do it. If you are that kind of a person, I want you to know today that everything that we do in life, especially these days, it works better and becomes so successful when we engage a coach, when we are coached, when we have someone to mentor us and to coach us. And that's because as much as we know to do those things, we may not be able to do them all by ourselves. We may not be able to wake up and make the commitment to doing it. But when you have someone that will get your back, someone that will push you, someone that will remind you of the importance of doing it, someone that will put the vision before you, someone that will remind you of the why you actually in the first place you are engaging in that particular venture, it helps. Because you once in a while, or most of the time, all of us need a nudge. We need someone to prompt us. We need someone to hold our hands in some cases to do that particular task that will take us to our next level. I have this experience for some years. I've struggled with something, setting up an online business and all that, and wanting to do something with my life that will not require me to be leaving the house or going to work and relying on someone, a manager or supervisor, to determine when I will have holidays or when I will travel home. I had a very bad experience in 2015 when I was supposed to travel abroad to see my family, and someone sat on it and decided that I am not going to make that trip. So I made a decision after that time, some years after that, I don't want to work as an employee anymore, that I want to set up my own business. I want to be self-employed, or perhaps have something that will be generating cash flow for me so that I will not be depending on someone. And when I started, it was very difficult because I was looking online, I was getting some nice trainings, I was getting a lot of freebies, things that they will never take you to the next level. They will be nice, but no one out there is going to put out everything that will help you for free. It's not going to happen. And I fell victim of using these free trainings and supports from here and there to think that I'm going to create a successful business. Little did I know that it was never going to happen. And so it dragged and took some months, getting to 1 year, and then I realized that, look, I'm never going to succeed in this thing at the level that I wanted it to succeed without paying for these programs. Don't forget that I was paying small here and there. It's not that all of them are free, but I was just being cautious until one day I woke up and decided to invest in training. It may surprise you that from that time, few months after, I started working on my mindset. I started developing a different mindset, especially about what I think about money and how I look at money. It is true that I didn't have so much, but at some point I had to go and borrow from someone to pay for a training that cost 600 and something pounds. And it's not just a one-off payment. It was monthly payment. That's how much my mindset changed. And today I can tell you that although I am not exactly where I really want to be, but I had made tremendous shifts. I had made tremendous success since that time. Just because I decided to get a coach, to have someone mentor me, to have someone coach me, to have someone help me to get to that from one point to the other. So today, if you are still like me in those months that think you can do it all by yourself, that you can get this free one here, that free one there, I want you to think again. It will be a waste of your time. And that thing that should take you 1 month may end up taking you 6 months or a year. Is that really what you want? I bet not. So Start changing your mindset today about money, because money is not really what we think it is, and it doesn't actually work the way we think that it works. And don't forget that all things that we have been hearing about money, they are not all true. You need to sieve them and take the ones that work today. But whatever you do, in that particular venture you're entering into, business, that particular trade that you want to get into, that skill you want to learn, get someone to help you. It really does help. I hope that this will help someone. And until my next video, I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Bye.